Hello and welcome to our Karatbars International video tutorial. In this video, we will explain what the product purchase section is. Please go to karatbars.com and click on the Login button on the very top right of the site and log into your Karatbars account with your username and password. Once you successfully logged in, you enter the back office. The back office is your private and protected Karatbars area, where you can look up all information about your account, change settings or your profile information, place purchases, learn all about your commissions, and many other things. You will always begin on the dashboard after logging in. By clicking on Product Purchase, the system will take you to our classic products first. In the Auto and Special Exchange section, you may set up a weekly or monthly automatic purchase. You can choose bank wire transfer or credit card as your payment option, but please note that American Express cards cannot be used for auto purchases. Below that, you will find the recently added section with the latest products we have introduced to our product list. In our classic Karatbar section, you can find our regular cards in 1 gram, 2.5 grams, and 5 grams units. Please note that these are the only cards which can be stored. The Karatbars coin is also found here, but will be shipped to you if selected. The vast palette of all the beautiful products we offer, including our cash gold, the dual packages, marketing material like brochures and business cards, and our very popular branding cards can be found below. You will need to purchase a Karatbars prepaid MasterCard in order to be able to receive any future commissions payouts. You may choose regular shipment, which takes between 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your location, or FedEx shipping, which is faster with its 2 weeks delivery time frame, but with an added shipping cost. If you wish to submit a bonus card, or check on the status of a bonus card you have previously activated, please click on the Submit Bonus Card. You may check on the expiration date of your 3% bonus card, or how many previously submitted €100 bonus cards you still hold, which are now just waiting to be used on future purchases. To learn more about how your back office works, please make sure to check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and have a golden day. Your Karatbars team.